Hey Ken, what's happening today?
Not much.
What do you got for us here? What can this trailer be used for?
Today I have a 2022 Trailer Master construction contract trailer. 7x14, ladder racks, ladders.
I got a 7x14 V-nosed trailer. As you see, it's multicolored. It's got the 3.5 ton dual axles. Each axle has brakes, aluminum wheels, has electric jack, has the Raptor bed liner coating on the ladder racks on top. Inside the floor, it's the same thing, same stuff. The trailer has aluminum wheels, and also comes with 2 spare tires inside the trailer. I'll show you that here in a minute. The trailer also has a spoiler up there with loading lights, and it's got multi-function door, opens and comes down.
So that's 2 ways of getting into the vehicle, huh?
Yeah.
Or that vehicle, the trailer.
The doors open out. They also hold down, though you roll something up onto it or wherever you want to do. Okay, this is the inside of the trailer. It's got paneled walls. Got the Raptor floor line I was telling you about earlier. The 2 spare tires are up here. Battery pack for the lights, got LED lights inside.